The Nutri Ninja 2-in-1 can help you create a wealth of delicious, fast, and easy drinks, snacks, and meals in seconds. If you find yourself running short on time to prep before entertaining guests, the 2-in-1 is a handy tool to get you out of the kitchen fast. It's also so easy to use, any of your guests can lend a hand. Let's start with appetizers. To make a homemade salsa, grab your 40-ounce processor bowl and place the blade inside. Take a 10-ounce can of whole, peeled tomatoes and scoop it into your bowl. Next, add your cilantro, white onion, jalapeno, chipotle chili and adobo sauce, lime, and finally, some kosher salt and pepper to taste. Secure your geared lid and your power pod, and we'll pulse until we've achieved our desired size. Use shorter pulses of about 1 second versus longer pulses of 2 to 3 seconds when chopping anything with high water content, such as tomatoes. Happy entertaining!